Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about Oracle company fresher job opening, guys. If you're a fresher and as well as an experienced candidate, not a problem. If you're having a 0 years of experience or if you're having at least 1 year of experience, 2 year of experience, not a problem. We can easily apply to the job openings, which I'm going to show you now. And moreover, you may be from the any education background, guys. You may be from B Tech, ME, Tech, BCom, MCom, or you may be from the BCA, MCA, any degree, guys. Okay, if you want to enter your career, if you want to start a job in the IT career, not a problem. You can also apply. Okay, and if you're also looking for, if you're a fresher who is just completed a degree in the year of 2024, 23, 22, 21, 20, or in the year of 2019, not a problem. You can also apply to the job openings. And moreover, if you are from any either IT domains, and if you want to switch your career into this cloud domain, okay, so not you can also apply. So these jobs are mainly focused for the AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle Cloud fresher, guys. Okay, so if you're a fresher, please apply to the job openings. I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end and support me, guys. Okay. Now let's directly get into the first job opening. Here, the first job opening comes from the Oracle company. Okay, the company name is Oracle. As you know, this is one of the biggest hiring company in the India right now. So this company is mainly hiring for the freshers. Okay, so the role which they are hiring is cloud support engineer. Okay, so they have mentioned here the role which they are hiring is cloud support engineer. As you can see, the location is Bangalore as well as in Hyderabad. So here the same position they are mainly hiring for in two job locations, that is in Bangalore as well as in Hyderabad. So if you are from like a North India, like it may be from the Delhi, you may be from Kolkata, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, you can apply to the Hyderabad location. And if you are also from the South, it may be from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, it may be from the Chennai, Kerala, anything. You can apply to the Bangalore or the Hyderabad location. Okay, so you may be from the any part of the India. I'm requesting everyone fresher to please apply, because this company will for freshers they are going to get pay around for 40,000 per month. I'm telling this for fresher only. Okay, so please remember the salary structure. Okay, you are going to get a very good job if you selected for this internship. Okay, sorry. So here the role name is cloud support engineer. As I already told you, there is a two job locations. Here, as you can see here, they have posted this job opportunity on the 26th of February 2024. Okay, this is a very new job, exclusive job which I have got for you. So please apply. Here, look at this experience is 0 to 2 years of experience. See, if you're having at least 2 years of experience or 1 year of experience, or if you don't have any experience, if you're just completely to the IT fresher, if you want to switch your job into the IT, not a problem. You can also apply. They have clearly mentioned 0. That is for the fresher also can apply. Okay. So AWS fresher, Azure fresher, Google, GCP freshers. If you want a fresher job opening, here is a golden opportunity for you. So please utilize this opportunity. Okay. Here they have mentioned the experience and everything. Applicants are less than 10 applicants. Look at this. Less than 10 applicants are applied to this job openings till now. So I'm requesting everyone, please apply. And benefits here they have mentioned. Okay. So here the benefits are just like normal. You are going to get a salary and you are going to get a hikes. Okay, and you'll be having a very good working culture, as well as a healthy environment will be there for you to work. And here one more thing is, here they have mentioned about the technical skills and communication skills and background. So let's read. We are seeking someone with 0 to 2 years of experience possessing the following qualifications. Okay, so here they are mainly asking for the 0 to 2 years of experience candidate. Next is technical background, bachelor degree in computer science, information technology related field preferred. Equivalent experience with bachelor degree is also considered. See, here they also clearly mentioned that if you are having degree in your hand, and if you are mainly from the computer science IT branches, you are highly preferred. And if you are from any branches like civil or mechanical, or from any education background sectors, not a problem. You are also prefer. Okay, so if you want to go into the experience, so you should have at least equivalent experience. That is that it should be related to the cloud only. Okay, it's otherwise it should be related to the Linux or into the DevOps. Okay, so the communication skills, you should be having very good communication skills. And if you're having any learned train certificates, okay, or if you have some good certificates from the Amazon or from the Azure or from the any clouds, okay, the certifications candidates are highly preferred for the job opportunity, I'm telling you. So if you're having any certifications, please mention in your resume and try to apply for this job opening. Okay, so here they have mentioned everything. And if you want to apply for this job opening, okay guys, if you want to apply for this job opening now, you can just go to this apply now section here. As you can see, right here there is apply now section, and go to just apply now and apply to this job opening. And one more important thing is, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, this is my channel daily job updates. Okay, please subscribe. Freshers, I will be daily bringing job openings for you, so please requesting everyone to subscribe. Okay, now we'll directly move into the second job opportunity. Here the second job opportunity is also from the Oracle company. Okay, so this company is made hiring for two positions: cloud support engineer. The role is same, everything is same. Okay, the only difference is, look at the job this ID. Here the job ID is different. It is of 5787, and you look at this here 5783. So there are various positions, job positions are there. So they are hiring at least like 5 to 10 positions are they hiring for the freshers. So please apply. Okay, here they have mentioned the role as cloud support engineer, and the job location is Hyderabad as well as Bangalore. It's your choice, where you are comfortable, you can apply to this job location. Here the same thing they have mentioned everything. Look at the experience section. It's a 0 to 2 years of experience. The applicants is less than 10 applicants. Okay, so here they have clearly mentioned, if you are having experience, you can apply. If you are having fresher, if you are a fresher, you can apply. If you want to switch your career into the IT industry, not a problem, you can also switch. You can also apply to the job openings. Okay, so here they haven't mentioned any nothing much high end skills, so please try to get this opportunity. Okay, so if you're coming to the benefits and all, you are going to get a competitive salary, and you are going to get a performance bonus, and you are going to get a good working health environment. That is fine. Okay, and you will be having the trainings, as well as then you will be having the professional development opportunities. Okay, and you will be collaborating with various teams and all, and you will be get opportunity to work, and you will be getting opportunity to train as well as learn. Okay, so here they have mentioned the roles and responsibilities. I'm not going to read this. We'll directly read into the qualifications. Technical background: bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology related field preferred. Relevant experience with any bachelor degree is considered. So you may be from the any degree, guys. I'm telling you, you may be from the BCom, MCom, diploma. You may be from BCA, any chemical engineering, anything, guys. You can apply to this. Okay, you can get the Oracle company job. This is I'm telling you, you're going to get at least around 40K per month. Communication skills: you should be having very good communication skills. That is very mandatory, because it matters a lot in the IT industry. So I'm telling you, learning and certifications: cloud associate of professional certifications from any cloud provider, highly recommended. See, if you're having cloud certifications, it may be Azure, it may be AWS, it may be GCP, it may be Oracle, not a problem. You would just need to mention in your resume. Okay, so that is very important. The candidates who is having the certificates are highly preferred for this job opportunity. So these are the two job opportunities which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. So if you want to apply to the job openings, okay, just go to here, apply now section, and apply to the job openings. Okay, so these are the job opportunities which I wanted to show you. If you are looking for any other job opportunities in any other domains, it may be the Java databases, it may be in the Python, anything, guys, not a problem. You just need to mention. Okay, sorry, you just need to mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings. And one more important thing is, I will be giving this job opening links in the description, in the comment section itself. So please take the links from the comment section itself. Okay, so have a good day. All the best. Bye.